Oh my God.
Go on board.
Now, why is it doing that, G?
What number is this?
Where'd that go, Wooks?
Boom, 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 boom. The tent is in the room.
Oh, Ramos! It's riding the wind and everything.
I don't know, I've just not been able to hit it. And also, I don't think it's set to my natural shot shape. See, like some people have got their own clubs.
Take it easy on him, Skip, yeah?
I feel under pressure. I feel like everyone's just expecting me to wipe the floor with the lads. It's not that easy.
We're fighting relegation today.
Yeah, you're top there, Cole.
Fighting for relegation for real. That's what we're doing.
What's your goal saying, B?
I know I'm fighting relegation. I know Connor can swim.
This must be for me. This must be for me.
Looks it.
That's what I'm going with. What's there?
Oh my God.
Wrist.
Should tell it to shine on.
Nah, not me,
You've
mate.
been practicing for this, bro. All that
Not me,
on
bro.
the sim.
I know, but when you're on the range, it's a different story, innit?
Chill. I'm gasping.
And that left foot doesn't move at all. Don't move at all. Because you're... At least you're hitting it, mate.
Yeah, it's close. Yeah, it's a little too... It's all right.
Why do I keep doing that? Retake.
Not today. He's got his own clubs and he's doing I know. Sure, Jack, you want to see a ripper? Go on then.
He's gone.
Sure, he's the biggest critique here, by the way. He's hit one ball and it went into that bush over there.
You play ads?
Little bit.
Yeah, you look like you do, bro.
7 and 5. No, that was because the other day we had to buy that water. It's good.
Ads has got tech.
Ads can play, bro.
Consistent.
I'm good on the range, bad on the course.
The T's the thing on the white thing.
I was doing a lot of sound effects, but when you hit it, I'm not seeing much going on, bro. No. Yes, get this. I was just demonstrating what we should be doing.
Get it up in the air, because most people do it, they lean back, they try and help it up.
Club. What number is this?
Where'd that go, Wooks?
Heads look sick in golf here, though, innit?
Just here looking good.
Hey. I don't know whether I should go slower on my... Do you reckon I should go slower on my...
Practice with
Went for it as well. Beck, we're down.
Right, it's a grip hold, isn't it?
Four?
Position with that foot. Good, Brendan. This is going to be like that.
Flexibility for that.
Bend your knees a bit. There we go. Full turn.
Was that practice?
Got it.
Practice?
Practice.
Was it practice?
It's still going.
The ball's still there.
If I hit one,
Love that right
so,
side.
Lovely that. Sounds good as well.
and then you're going to keep.
That's what I can do.
There's playing before and then there's, playing like... No, I don't. Oh, I haven't played for ages. You can't lose it though, didn't you? It's like you can't lose something you never had, can you?
I'll tell you what, EXK. Get on Kieran Trippier's swing here. Have another go, son. Have another go.
Come on, let's see it. Come on.
He couldn't hit a ball 4 years ago.
Then grip's not a bit fat.
It's alright, I'm happy. I'm dancing there.
Clubs are a bit long. I'll tell you what.
That's pretty tidy.
Good caddying from Pickford, that.
Hey, B, get my driver, please.
The Arsenal one.
Somewhere in the middle would be good.
I reckon if he had less than that.
There you go, walking close.
Is this your bag? The whole thing?
Yeah.
John! Go on board.
Now, why is it doing that, G? It feels like I'm hitting it here.
Get to a position where knees are bent and your arms are hanging almost just straight down. Right, in a relaxed position. Bend your knees. Tilt over at the waist.
Pointing where you're going to go.
Perfect.
We'll go with that.
Toe. Oh.
Oh, my golf.
Oh my goodness. The best shot of my life.
Flushed it. Flushed it. It pulled left, but I tell you what, flush. That was nice.
Just one lesson. Not even a lesson, 2 minutes.
Alright.
Jared, you got better than that, don't worry, mate.
Oh, Harry.
It's got snow on it.
That's good. Bit short.
29 feet.
Oh, love it, Pete.
Sure. No, it's tough.
Tell you what, that's going to be good.
That is good.
Oh, 34.
Go on, South. Go on, South.
Stay finning.
Right there, that's right. It's on the left side.
Heart beating, lad.
Put a marker
They
down.
actually won it. Just fucking pinned it.
54 feet.
It's alright, Stones is just power. He's got no finesse.
What's with the talk? Stinks of jealousy.
Oh, there's the...
Thinks of a hustle.
No! Might be alright, that.
Down.
Sit down.
200 yards deep.
54.
Right, come on.
Come on, John.
Inside 54 feet.
Oh my god.
The bagpipe.
Yes!
Crumbled on
Come on, the sound.
Oh, Dino!
Straight over the pin. 51.
Smooth down. Donkey! There it is!
That's the number.
Tell you what, a bit longer, it's going to be close.
Yes,
35.
So you want to the south.
Whoa, is that right, Rammers? What? Yeah, don't. Alright, carry on.
Paul! He's giving it all to me, I'm dialed in. He's done that. You're saying you're dialed in and do that.
Right.
I was.
Is he aiming for the blue?
That was 51 feet.
I've fatted it now. Sorry, camera.
It's flipping us.
Flipping, is that alright, yeah?
Played one. Played one.
Yes, Rambo!
17 feet.
17 feet. So is that winning actually?
Winning at the moment.
Sorry.
Am I actually winning there?
Sam's
Apart
got
from
you by
Sam.
2 feet.
Yeah. Put him in goal.
Thanks, guys. Really enjoyed that. Thanks, guys.
Shoulder gun. Mashed potatoes!
Come on, Ian. You got this side.
So just further than that.
Yeah, but it's 2 goals each. Yes!
Oh my God, red chip. He said red chip. He said red chip. Oh, so close.
I don't know.
121. 121. 121.
Yeah, brilliant. Well done, Tripper. Well done, Tripper. Well done, Trips.
Cheers, buddy.
You should just kick it there, like.
I think mine got further, you know. I think mine went further than that.
I like it. Let's go, buddy.
Yeah, shot Trent.
Nice, Trent. Coming in.
Oh no.
There's no way he's won. There's no way he's won. That's me.
No, the first one of them.
That's me.
I want the result.
Tell you what, you got one more each.
I'm not having that. His one was closer than mine, by the way.
Whichever carries it the furthest wins.
Whoever gets further.
Furthest wins.
Carries furthest wins.
So put your left hand on and then put your right.
Now wait, what's all this training about?
Should we listen?
And then put your right pinky finger in between. There you go.
Trent just absolutely just slap it.
Great ball, great ball.
Just short of the green flag, right?
Just past it.
Just slap it.
Smash it.
Stand a bit closer
Go
to the ball.
Oh, too close. A little bit too close. Oh,
Bit closer.
oh, he's
No,
too close.
you've gone back again. Bit closer.
Yes! Yes!
Nah, I can't be doing that.
That's out of bounds, man.
That's why he's out. It's out of bounds.
He's getting a point for that.
It's out of bounds.
Can't beat Luke. Come on, Mark.
You've got this, Mark.
Thanks.
Yes, Mark!
Which one is it?
Middle two.
Middle one.
That one.
Yeah.
Wind as well, man.
Look, I'm super impressed. Some of the boys are feeling super nervous, but I've got to be honest, they did amazing. And you've only got to look, 9-5. We're already up. Let's go.
He's doing day, bro.
Here we go. 225 to beat.
Oh, it's a greaser. But I think with just the right motion.
Let me cook.
Oh, Jude. Are you talking?
Caddy.
No, I'm not talking.
Good boy, Dino.
You happy, man?
Very happy.
Got the team point in it.
Can't count.
We actually don't even need to hit. That is like,
We do.
You do.
that's 50 yards. It's 50
Come on.
yards in shot.
Oh, Rams! Riding the wind and everything. Oh, Ramsdale. I
Poulter, I'll see you down there.
Go in! Nutted it.
Rambo, that is so good.
Lovely.
Nice day.
Oh, I took a little bounce left as well.
Unlucky Joe.
Come on, lads, it's a minimum.
Come on, lads. Good bounce.
It's money.
Sit.
It's money.
There we go, boys.
Shot.
Good strike there.
Longest drive, Joe.
Good strike.
Joe. Wait, God.
No, you weren't. You was aiming right and then you closed the face on the way through.
Don't be a mark.
Make
Yeah.
it.
Yeah.
Go on.
Yeah.
Go on.
Get that song on. Boom, 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 boom.
The Tetter's in the room. Da, 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 da. What? Oh, gotta be careful. We gotta be careful what we're saying now. Boom, 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 boom. The Tetter's in the room.
Mate, we might as well just take that ball. That's ridiculous.
We could do with knowing if that's in the fairway though.
Yeah, that is. That would be perfect. Oh my God, that could be unbelievable.
That's got the leg.
Rambo, I think.
I think that can, you know. I think you go on that line for
Yeah.
sure. Yeah. I think you're perfect.
Rambo and Poulter just having a drive off here between them.
Tell you what, good strike. Just a little across the line. That was all.
My official handicap is 14.9. I have come down from 16 in the last 2 rounds, so I'm doing well.
What's your handicap?
Handicap is 2.9 at the moment, so 3. So.
First time on a course, by the way. Ever.
See, we've got to start somewhere. Everyone's journey starts somewhere, and this is the day, Joey.
That's jumping as well. Sit down. Go.
Bit chunky.
Go.
Right. It's got a chance.
He might grab the front right. Go.
Go,
It's on.
Put in.
Well done you. Just commit to it, guys. Deck. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down.
Get down.
Oh, man. Yeah, good putt. Really good putt. Go on.
Get up there.
Go.
Get up there.
Go.
Oh,
Calm, great putt.
Right, buddy.
Love it, lads. 2 under.
2 under through 2. Good job.
Time. Finish.